In today's video, I'll teach you how to reset American Express password. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in americanexpress.com. Press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of American Express. In order to reset the password, you'll have to go to the login interface. For that, click on this option login that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to log in to your account, but since you want to reset your password, what you have to do is simply click on this option forgot user ID or password that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll have to enter your user ID or email in order to recover or reset your credentials. So what you have to do is simply click on the field of user ID or email. Now provide the user ID or email over here. If you do not know the user ID or email, you can also use your card instead. For that, click on this option use your card instead that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll have to enter the 15-digit card number and 4-digit card ID over here. You can also select between the existing card account and cancelled card. So simply click on the option of your choice and provide the credentials. Now once you're done, click on this option continue that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you'll have to verify your identity. Either answer a security question or choose a different method for a one-time passcode sent via text or email. If you choose the method for OTP, enter the OTP in another interface. Now if needed, you'll also have to provide the card information. You might need to enter the 3-digit security code from the back of your card. Now create a new password for yourself. You'll be able to enter the new password. Make sure to meet the requirement of American Express, for example 8 characters, not the same as old ones, etc. Simply create the new password according to the requirements. Now re-enter the password in order to confirm it. Now click on the option continue or save password that you'll be able to see in that particular interface. Now the reset will be finalized. Now you can come back to the login interface and try logging into your account with a new password and you'll be logged into your account. So like this, you'll be able to reset the password. So that is how you reset American Express account password. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.